Now once your crypto has arrived here, and basically you want to change it to USDT because you want to maybe use the USDT to buy another crypto. What you do is you go to your trade, and basically here you can change whether you must be on spot or futures. So what we want to do is exchange it on spot. So if I have, for example, I have this coin that is in my portfolio, so I want to sell it for USDT. What I will do is I'll click on the sell button. You see, when we came in, it was on the buy button, so I click on the sell button. The second button says it gives you this whole list, but you want to sell it at the market price, which means I want to sell it now. And then it asks you the quantity that you want to sell. If you want to sell a portion of it, you can also do so. So if I say maybe 25% or 26%, then it gives me the amount of coins that I would like to sell. But I can also say 100%. I want to sell all the assets for that coin. And what I do is I basically click on sell. If I click on sell, and it means that I've sold those coins in exchange for USDT that we normally use to buy basically other coins. And that is done.